doesn't matter who you are, and it doesn't matter where you've been, and it doesn't matter what you've heard, and it doesn't matter who you've seen. When you're feeding me a line, it's all old news. When I'm finding alleyways, girl, you're finding avenues. It's like a shark on the sand, it's like a knife in my hand, like a pipe to the dream, the tramp inside the limousine. It's like a child in the ring, it's like a voice that can't sing. The bridge between our minds is now just history. And it doesn't matter what the time, and it doesn't matter what the day, and it doesn't matter what the year, 'cause you don't matter anyway. And I've always known I'm right when you're telling me I'm wrong, and I always lived for me and you were just stringing along. Like a molehill in the grass, like a trickle in the past, like Father Christmas wearing blue, like when the joke is on you. Like a midnight with a brother, like a kiss goodbye mother, you're in the rear. And the wee small hours welcome back with tears. So it doesn't matter where I am, so it shouldn't matter where I'm not. And it doesn't matter if I'm gone, 'cause who you saw is what you got. And it doesn't matter now, now you've left me. And it's gonna cost you more than the things you'll ever see. And you'll suffer just like me to the cruelty of lies. And when your demons come, they'll come to play with your mind. They'll come to tempt you with gifts whilst they eat your insides, and your sweet green eyes will turn to morning misty skies.